I don't have any money. Do you have some books in Spanish? If you have any doubts, please ask me for clarification. Do you have any questions? Although I'm not an expert on the subject, I can offer some advice. Before you make any changes to the system, please back up your files. I haven't received any feedback on my job application yet. I'm not sure if any of the stores in the mall sell that specific type of battery. I'm not sure if any of the restaurants in the city deliver food to our hotel. Can you give me some water, please? I need to find some information on the internet. Before you make any rash decisions, please consider all the consequences. I didn't hear any complaints from the other students about the exam. Do you have any suggestions for a good restaurant? Some of the paintings were damaged by the fire, but others were saved. In case of any unexpected delays, please let me know in advance. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me. Despite the fact that I didn't have any money, I managed to enjoy my trip. Regardless of some negative reviews, the movie was a box office success. Before some of the participants were eliminated, the competition was fierce.